itself means not only a speaking mouth, but it means to skip, to leap, like the concept in physics of a quantum leap. In order to understand what that means, the quantum leap of Pesach, which actually works in two directions, because it says that when God Himself, the Almighty, comes to redeem us, there's a verse in the Song of Songs, which we read on the festival, the holiday of Pesach, that Hashem comes and He skips over the mountains and He jumps over the hills in order to come and redeem us, the Jewish people. Likewise, just as He arouses us from above, we from below have to skip and jump and leap to Him. This is the essence of the service of Pesach, the skip, the leap. In order to understand that better, we have to realize that there are many, many different postures that a human being may be in one of these different postures, the laws of which is to be lying. To be lying is like it says that the Shekhinah, the divine presence, which is representative of the whole state of the Jewish people in exile, is lying in the dust to the earth. And we have to be redeemed. From a state of lying, we must realize that right now that we're in exile spiritually, we're just lying down, we're dormant. From that state of lying, a person has to first sit, from sitting to stand, from standing to begin walking slowly, then to accelerate his walk, to walk faster, then to begin to run even faster. And after going through all of those first 6 levels of posture, of motion, of movement, then, and only then, does he begin to skip. And in skipping itself, there are 3 levels of skipping. There's one which is to skip, there's another which is to jump. In that verse, it says that God Himself skips and He jumps to us. So the sages differentiate between the skipping and the jumping, that skipping with one leg is a parable, and jumping with 2 legs. They also say that the skipping that God skips to us is in the merit of the patriarchs, the fathers and the Jewish people. And the jumping is in merit of the matriarchs, the mothers, the women, in whose merit was the redemption from Egypt, and will be the final redemption with the coming of the Mashiach, the Messiah. After those 2 levels of skipping and jumping, these are already quantum levels, then there's even the highest is psicha. Psicha is from the word Pesach, which is the total, the absolute quantum leap, existential leap from a spiritual inward state of exile to a state of redemption. And this is what is necessary with the Jewish people, that if we are not able to reach that full quantum leap, we still remain at some level of our psyche, of our consciousness, lying in the mentality of exile. So may we all merit, as an individual, as a people, to leap out of exile into redemption.